Hello friends, today I am going to do direct Coombs test. Coombs test was discovered by Coombe, Mourant and Race in 1945. DCT is also known as direct antiglobulin test. This test is used to detect the sensitized red cells with IgG alloantibodies, IgG autoantibodies or complement components in vivo. Sensitization of red cells occur in vivo or vitro. In vivo, the sensitization of red cells is detected by one-stage technique is called direct antiglobulin test. In vivo, sensitization of red cells with non-agglutinating antibody occur in hemolytic transfusion reaction due to non-ABO antibodies, in autoimmune hemolytic anemia due to warm or cold antibodies, hemolytic disease of newborn, anti-RH antibodies that already bound to fetal RBCs, in drug-induced hemolytic anemia due to penicillin, quinidine and methyl dopa. Non-agglutinating antibodies bind to specific antigen but do not causes agglutination. Detection of non-agglutinating antibodies in lab by use of second antibody is called anti-human globulin. This is the anti-human globulin reagent, polyspecific anti-human globulin. It is prepared by combining anti-IgG and anti-complement, usually monoclonal anti-C3d, and 0.1% sodium azide as a preservative. Anti-human globulin reagent against to human globulin, IgG or complement. Coming to the principle, patient RBCs are washed to remove free plasma protein and directly mixed with anti-human globulin reagent. If RBC is sensitized with immune antibody, IgG or C3 component of complement in vivo, it will be agglutinated by anti-human globulin reagent. The IgG molecules attached to red cells are unable to bridge the gap between sensitized red cells, which are separated from each other by negative charge on their surface, and they do not agglutinate. When added this anti-human globulin, it is able to bridge the gap between the cells and it causes agglutination. We need patient blood, anti-human globulin reagent, 0.9% normal saline and Coombs control cells. Make 5% cell suspension of patient blood by adding 50 microliter of packed cells to 1 ml of 0.9% saline. Mix it well. This is the 5% cell suspension. Take a test tube and mark it as DCT and add 1 drop of this 5% cell suspension into the tube. Fill the tube with saline and wash the cells 3 times. Centrifuge it. After 3 times wash, remove the supernatant . Decant the final wash. Add 2 drops of anti-human globulin reagent. Mix it well. Centrifuge it 1000 rpm for 1 minute. After centrifugation, look for agglutination. There is no agglutination seen. For validation of test procedure, add a drop of Coombs control cells, 5% Coombs control cells, mix it well and centrifuge the tube at 1000 rpm for 1 minute. Look for agglutination. 1+ reaction seen, so the test is valid. Direct Coombs test is negative. It indicates absence of incomplete antibodies or components of complement on the red blood cells. Thank you.